Hello YouTube, this is me, Eddie Cashman. Today I am making an unboxing of the Never Can Say Goodbye package by Katherine Jackson, which you can get for $40. You get the DVD, the calendar, and the book. So here we have the case to the DVD. In the back we have the site where you could buy it, which is jacksonsecretvault.com. The side, and inside you have the disc right there. Now the calendar is right here. Let me take that out. Here we have the front, and go ahead and show you guys. And by the way, these are, when they put those crowns, those are the birthdays or any special evening, anything special, they put a crown on it. If it's Christmas or a holiday, like for this month here, you got the birthday that is Blanket. It's Blanket's birthday. Then he got Prince's his birthday is there. Paris. You got Michael, and there you have Joe. And here in this page, they show you some t-shirts that they sell for $32. You can go ahead and buy them in jacksonsecretvault.com. And here they show you how to sign up for the website, which is free. So now let me go ahead and show you the book. Now, here's the book. Here you have the front. Here's the side. And here's the back. This book is marked for $55.99 if you go buy it at any store, or $59.99 in Canada. I got it for $40 in jacksonsecretvault.com, and it comes with these three, the DVD and the calendar. So a pretty good price. There you have the cover outside of the jacket. And here you have a letter from Katherine. So if you could subscribe, comment, and rate, I will be making some more videos. And once I receive the keychain packages, I will do the giveaway. Alright guys. Alright, bye, and thank you for watching.